ATV is one of the Turkey's most prominent and acclaimed television networks, meeting global broadcasting standards and a jewel in the crown of the Turkey-West Media Group. AOTO and TVS work together on project design and feasibility study since November 2019. We started production from May 2020 and finished installation in 4 months, with effort of all team members. ATV new building is equipped with more than 700 square meters LED displays across 10 studios, including mini LED 1.5mm, Create LED Sphere and LED Ring, which went live in September 2020. Together with its create and pioneering outlook, ATV successfully produces many unique and original programs, bringing an abundance of fabulous stories and first-rate actors to the TV screen. Thanks to ATV and TVS, we are proud to be part of this extraordinary project.
Haberin merkezinden, ATV Haber Merkezi'nden iyi akşamlar. Cumhurbaşkanı Erdoğan, Milli Gurur projelerinden... Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to join this webinar. I am Jude. At this moment, as you can see, I'm staying in AOTO's XR studio. We're based in the showroom of AOTO's headquarters in Shenzhen, China. AOTO was founded in 1993, the first listed LED display company in China. AOTO's product has been widely used in broadcasting, digital media, sports, high-end events, and so on. It's my great pleasure to have Mr. Salami from ATV and Mr. Yuka from TVS to share their project experience for the ATV project in Turkey. So now let's welcome Salami and Yuka to introduce themselves. Hi, Salami. Hello, Salami. Could you hear? Connect Salami and Yuka. Just one second.
What's on there?
Okay.
Hi, okay. Salami.
Hi.
Could you
Hello,
hear me?
Everyone. Yes.
Hello. Yeah, so it's our great pleasure to invite Mr. Salami from ATV and Mr. Yuka from TVS. So Salami, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Selami Aktaş, Technical Group Manager from ATV. I graduated from Anadolu Üniversitesi Radio TV Technique Department, and I have been working in television industry for 28 years. I have been working as a technical group manager for ATV television for 10 years, which is a part of Turkey's media group, has 9 MCRs, 10 galleries, and 17 studios covering 9,000 meters square total studio floors. Thank you.
Thank you, Salami. So now let's hear the voice from Yuka. Hi, Yuka, you please.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Gökalp, founding partner from TVS Production. We are a system designer and integrator operating in broadcast industry for more than 20 years with own studios. At the same time, we have an in-house set design department, especially for the last 10 years. We have done cultivated projects internationally, mainly in Middle East, North Africa, Europe, and United States.
Thank you, Salami. Thank you, Yuka. Hi, Salami. I just found that you and Yuka are both in the ATV studios. So could you please share us some views of ATV studios from different cameras?
The most challenging part is how to combine it with creative design and cutting-edge technology. It is quite a long story since 1918. Most importantly, We have planned to utilize the latest technologies in our new studios with a completely new design. After setting up our project team, we studied feasibility. We tested various products from many companies with our own cameras under our studios and lights. The correct color we were looking for, we are good black level, and most importantly, the product did not create a moire effect. At this point, Gökalp offered us AOTO LED solutions. AOTO offered is middle LED technology, while other products use SMD technology. A new television building, new decor designs, new contents, and new technology LED screens that will convey them visually the audience. We hope to break the distance between us and the audience in studios and in front of the television. A perfect show should cover a good LED video wall. Creative content, immersive musical, eye-catching decoration. With all these efforts, we can entertain our audience in best way possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Salami. Yeah, that's true. So I want to show you a video which impressed me a lot. This is a video for the movable screens showing the opening and closing function. So Gökalp, would you please share us more stories about this unique and creative design?
Yes, well, it was a big challenge since it's nearly 1,000 square meters LED screen installation, including 7 meters tall sliding LED doors, flat, convex, certain degree curved screens. Also some LEDs hanging on the ceiling and moving on the rails. So we had a design of LED screens needed to be planned very carefully. On the other hand, the screens that we were selected for this project was latest technology and the first of use in the industry. AOTO had shown great effort on the aligning the entire project design. All the process, design, production, delivery, installation, testing, and commissioning had to be finalized in 120 days under COVID conditions. That was a really big challenge at that time. As a result, contract signed by beginning of May 2020 and project delivered by end of August 2020. Selami, would you like to share some of your opinions as well?
Yes, I would like to share my first usage experience as well. We have a very popular program, Müge Anlı's morning show, which is the top 5 of all programs in Turkey. Actually, we are in that studio now, and you can see at the back. With our new AOTO LED screen, the first live broadcast of this show was challenging for us. The decor design was a diamond shaped. The diamond was opening with the door split into 2. And the presenter was starting the broadcast with the light show. Engineering, installation, and operation of mobile screens of this size was a good experience. The screens covered the majority of the studio, and the content given to screens instantly allowed the studio to change and return to a different atmosphere. Both graphics and live connections are made on these screens. So AOTO makes our job easier with its high contrast, wide viewing angle, create colors and minimal moire effect.
Yeah, it's really a wow project. I feel so proud that together we make this true. So let me show you another video from ATV. Wow, what a shining ATV building. Let's check inside the studio. We can find out that the host is coming out from the screen. with different states. This
Tüm
is
gözler
AOTO's R&D
Cumhurbaşkanı
central-
Erdoğan'ın konuyla ilgili değerlendirmesindeydi. Aslında programında yoktu ancak devletin zirvesi
different curve screen in the studio. This is a 64K controller we provided for the ATV
Kardeşimiz
project.
kendini sadrazam demek ki kabul etti.
Hocam dövme haram mıdır?
We can see the excellent color performance. Gives the audience an immersive visual experience. You can see the color details are fully displayed with a 24-bit color depth processing ability. Here comes the LED sphere, and on top is the LED ring with our flexible LED product. You can see on the left side is a sliding screen. So with total 17 studios in ATV, they cover full aspect channels like politics, economy, this is sport, interview channel, and entertainment channel, and so on. Nice video. Thanks to Salami and UCUP. This is really a historic project for AOTO TV application. So UCUP, people may have interest to know why you choose AOTO as partner at that time.
We as a TUS production have been serving the broadcast sector for more than 20 years. And we strongly believe that delivering turnkey solutions with advanced technology is the key success factor for establishing some stable partnership with our customers. Also, that is one of the reasons that we have been partnering with AOTO. Indeed, after several consultations with Selami and his team, we were 100% sure that we need was more than a reliable product, a top-notch innovative solution. In this perspective, AOTO mini-LED technology would have been the perfect match for ATV expectations, which is aligned with the latest industry standards and nearly tailor-made turnkey solutions for the project. So I have to admit that our dedication in the same name of delivery on tight schedules, service commitment, and our expertise on broadcasting was critical for the realization of the project, as well as AOTO's utmost efforts. For example, AOTO arranged demo kit in 3 days per our request. After our request, we received the demo kit in 3 days. It was remarkable.
Yes, thank you, UCUP. I would say it's our honor. Without your trust and support, we can't make it alone. As you know that AOTO is an intelligent visual information provider. We are not only providing LED screens, but also self-developed control system to provide a truly one-stop solution to our customers. By the way, Salami, LED screen is more and more popular for TV station. Would you mind share us some suggestion on how to choose the LED screen?
Yes, I would love to. The entire AV solution is so much important, especially for us in broadcasting industry. AOTO offers a great mini LED product and advanced solution. The mini LED is very strong. The display performance, I can say, is perfect. A rare Moir effect appears shown on the camera when we monitor it. AOTO's control system is their control depth processing ability. The color and details of the images shown on the screen are almost 100% reproduced. The consistent high contrast and saturated colors for our graphics across the entire studio are exactly what we are looking for. For us, ATV, after sales services are essential along with the quality of the solution provided. The first LED screen is on our studios had been provided by TVS more than 10 years ago. Since then, LEDs are up and running perfectly. Thanks to TVS experienced service team and their prompt and the efficient support on 7/24. We have been walking this way together along with them, and we rely on their expertise. So their approach on this project and reference AOTO solution was critical and decisive for us.
Yes, color performance is very important. AOTO Mini LED has many advantages. So now I would like to show you some pictures for our Mini LED. Let's see the first picture. We started to research Mini LED since 2013 and achieved to mass production in 2018. Till now, we have applied and proved for more than 40 patents in worldwide. And as you can see from the picture, thanks to the groove design, increase the black area, Mini LED compares with SMD has much higher contrast ratio and up to 8,000 by 1. And let's check this one. Mini LED has extremely wide viewing angle, up to 180 degrees. So please see the picture at right side. The picture is from real ATV side. There is non-color or brightness loss, non-splicing gaps, even standing at 180 degrees. And the next one, one of the important features of Mini LED is the robustness, which is 4 times stronger than SMD. So a 700 square meter project with 1.5 millimeter pixel pitch. Thanks to the robustness, there is very rare depth pixels. We can save lots of time. And let's see the last picture. Mini LED does help to reduce Moiré effect. Thanks to the knowledge and patent, we lead the industry to create a new standard of Mini LED. The 700 square meter Mini LED for ATV projects is really a new milestone for Mini LED mass production. So the lead time is critical for this massive studio with customized designs such as 5 different angles, LED rings, and LED sphere. Luckily, we are still taking positive measurements to meet the lead time. So UCAP, what do you think?
We as TVS are very competent on the important procedures, importation procedures, installation, commissioning, and managed to finalize several projects in the region. Also, AOTO is very experienced in the industry, has exercised references. On this tight schedule, we run all this process with ATV management in transparency. As a result of strong cooperation, we managed to deliver entire project in 4 months, including delivery, installation, and commissioning as promised.
This is also one of AOTO's teamwork strategies. We offer full expert service to our partner by collaboration from our pre-sales team, sales team, and after-sales team. What do you think, Yuka?
That was I am planning to highlight. Pandemic conditions and tight schedule was very challenging for all of us. For example, AOTO team could not be joint installation and trainings due to travel restriction from China. However, they sent a team from Germany instead 3 weeks period of planned to date just to be on safe side for the installation. As a result, all the integration, installation, testing, and commissioning was performed perfectly without any problem according to our schedule.
Hi, Salami. For such a big project with tight schedule, did you worry before?
Yes, Jude. At that time, was quite nervous, but I feel relaxed and confident now. I want to express that it won't be successful without your efforts. But you know, apart from AOTO-led solution, for the entire studio, lighting, stage design, decoration, and camera position and audience seats are all need to be inspected and accepted in full aspects. So we had no more time to delay. Thanks and big respect to you. AOTO and TVS both achieved, and the goods had been shipped on Turkey on time. Our studio has been opened as scheduled and get us good reputation. Audience were shocked by the nice visual performance on LED display. I have to say AOTO and TVS are our reliable partner. We are very happy for cooperating with you guys and hope we can work together again. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Salami and Mr. Yukov. Appreciate for your sharing today. I'm so grateful for your support as always. I learned a lot from your guidance and experience. Thanks ATV and TVS for giving us such an opportunity to join this great project. This is also a showcase for our R&D to keep forward in broadcasting solution. Looking forward to having more sparkles with ATV and TVS. Okay, now let's come to the Q&A section. So I would like to invite our technical manager, Dennis, to join us.
Hi.
Hi, Dennis.
Hi, UCAPs and Salamis from ATV, and dear clients and partners who join these webinars online. It's my great honor to join this great AOTO event.
Yeah, thank you, Dennis. So now let's check the first question. The first question is coming from Mr. Paul Sin. It's a question for Salami. Hi, Salami. Do you think mini LED will become more and more popular in TV studios? Hi, Salami. Would you please answer this question for us?
That's a good question. I think mini LED will definitely become a trend for TV studios industry. Just like I said before, mini LED has many advantages, such as easy maintenance, more reduction, more robots, and traditional assembly technology. Actually, this is my first time that I have used mini LED for my studios. Until now, the screen runs very well and stable. Thank you.
Thank you, Salami. Exactly. In the past 2 years, more and more TV studios are choosing AOTO's mini LED as part of their broadcasting solution, such as NBC, Bloomberg in Middle East, and HDR, RBB in Germany, and the WRG in America, and so on. Okay, let's check the next question. This question is from Mr. Thomas Chambers. So, how to select professional LED solution for TV studio projects? Hi, Yuka. How about you answer this question for us?
Of course. It's always a challenge to choose right product. You know, the budget is very important factor for the consider. But I think the more important is the total solution, especially for the TV studio applications. If we select a good product, we could save on the cost of installation, operation, and the maintenance. It requires a high integrated solution on the hardware and software as well. I will suggest you to have demo test in advance from all products. At that time, we tested AOTO CV 1.5 series. Compared with other LED panels, all our guys recognize AOTO Mini LED the best. It was the best for the TV studios. I believe we tested almost like 20 different products in same conditions. AOTO was the star. It was brilliant. It was perfect. Thanks, AOTO.
Thank you. Can agree more. Cost efficiency is also one of our concerns, especially if our product is easy for maintenance, convenience for operations or not. This is really important for us. Okay, now let's check the next question. This question is from Mr. Kevin So. Hello, AOTO. What is the difference between your mini LED and other suppliers? Wow, this is a technical question. So how about Dennis, you give us the answer?
Yeah, it is a very good question, as you know, that why choosing AOTO. So I will pick just two aspects. First is that AOTO is the first company who introduced the mini LED technology into this LED industry, and that's back to 2013. And from over almost a decade, we have accumulated over 40 global patents, and then which we can use these patents to share with our clients in delivering the projects. And the second way, look at the technology point of view, and AOTO has been in these markets for over 3 decades. With all this technology we have been developed, like 24-bit processing depth, 110% NTSC wider color gamut, and the high 80,000:1 contrast ratios that you can see, all this embedded into the AOTO Mini LED. With this, I would say that this is the most advanced technology of Mini LED in the markets. So AOTO definitely is the choice.
Thank you, Dennis. So we got another question from Mr. Joseph Lamban. And he's asking, what is the difference between CV and CLD? So Dennis?
Yes, you know that the CV that we have just see a lot of videos from ATV. We see that the CV can do curve and do the moving wall we just saw. But the difference between CV and CLD, first we would say from the name of it. CLD is our commercial LED display, which is back to 2016, and CV is rolled out just 2020. So you can see from the time difference, but they share also some very similar aspects, like they are both 16:9, and both of them are aspect ratios. And then later we can see more. So the main difference, we just list 2 aspects. CV is just more lighter than CLD. It's just 5 kilograms per cabinet, and it's merely 38 millimeters for its depth, while CLD is 66 millimeters. So yeah, if we would like to know more, and then we can have our contact our sales colleague from led@aoto.com, and then I can provide more detailed information.
Thank you, Dennis. All right, so let's check another question. So this question is from Mr. David Altoni. He is asking, can AOTO software be used to configure special shape screens? Dennis, what is your idea?
Definitely, yes. As you know, the AOTO is not only like you mentioned, that we deliver the whole solutions. So AOTOs from the very beginnings that we have started with our own hardware and software whole platforms. So including the control systems and the display systems. And there is no doubt that we already have these capabilities of controlling different kind of cabinets using our own control systems, meanwhile developing different kind of cabinets according to the creativeness that needed for the designer.
Thank you, Dennis. So since time is so limited, let's check the last question. Hi, AOTO team. Can AOTO software be used to configure special, Hi, AOTO, what's the product used in this project?
That's a good question. Yeah, it's one of the products we just make comparisons. It's the CV series. Because of its lightweight we just mentioned, because we can increasing the distance wheel and save the installation's depth. And because it's lightweight, we're using for more for the moving board we just see. So the lightweight, the mini-LED technology, and the 16:9 aspect ratios with all this AOTO technology put together. So currently, CV is our proposals for TV studios.
Okay, thank you. So before the ending, hi Yukab, hi Salami, could you hear me?
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
Yeah, I found both you are staying in the ATV TV studios. So could you please show us the views of your TV studios from your cameras? We are very interested in your studios.
Yes.
We are not sure we can show you all of them at the moment. But
Okay.
at least
Just
we
part
can
of
show
it.
you one. And the pictures behind us, actually they are live pictures from other studios at the moment. Maybe my friend from Crane, he can help you to show you some of them on the background. Abi arkada kalsın. Şu şeyleri gösterebilir misiniz bize biraz? Arkadakilerin içlerini.
Well,
Onda
this is
hareket
the
yok.
curved screen.
Actually, this is not curved. This is diamond shape and sliding doors with the LED. Technically, that LEDs are 7 meters high.
Yeah.
And these are some other studios. The
Wow,
round one, the ball
amazing.
one also you created for us. It's very effective on the cameras.
Wow.
Wow, so attractive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be so happy that I already be part of the design teams for this project. So it's so exciting.
Yeah.
And all
Thank you
these
so much,
feeds,
Salami.
thank you. All
And
these
Yukab.
feeds
Thank
are
you.
live at the moment. Thank you very much. Thank you
Thank-
for everything.
Thank you. All
Thank
right,
you.
ladies and gentlemen, so much for today's webinar. If you want to learn more information from us, please feel free to contact your sales manager in AOTO or drop us an email by led@aoto.com. If you want to catch up the latest news from AOTO, please subscribe our channel by linking Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. Once again, thank you very much for attending today, and I wish you all a good day. I will see you next time.
Thank
Bye.
you.